Who's doing a reset now, taking the on-slip, correct side of the carriageway, taking the on-slip back towards M56. So actually it's taken a near miss, it's just possibly clipped a grey vehicle and gestured. Another near miss with a white van by the petrol station, and it's now contra on the off-slip. Two on is just temporarily held. It is, yeah, just over the bridge now, Ferry Lane, so it will be coming out on Saltney Ferry Road, B5129. Two on just falls on its way past a pedal cyclist, just stand by. Onto the bypass road as such, forcing its way through traffic. I don't know whether the stinger was successful. Two on this vehicle is now up on the pavement due to congestion traffic waiting at the lights.
I feel like we've met before, haven't we? Where are you from?
Liverpool originally.
Second male is heading down towards the canal, stand by. He is out to the main road now, City Walls Road. He's removed the helmet, stand by. Two on, we got another patrol please. Male is on the floor on City Walls Road with sole officer.
Yeah, that was exceptional. Well done everyone again. Fantastic teamwork, and